You're planning a trip to the UK, right? Bags are packed, flights booked, itineraries sorted. But hold on, one burning question remains. Can you actually use your trusty YouTrip card in the land of tea and biscuits? Let's dive in. Picture this, you're standing in a quaint little shop in the heart of London, a stack of souvenirs threatening to overwhelm your suitcase. You pull out your YouTrip card, heart pounding with anticipation. Will it work? Will you be forced to fumble for cash, disrupting the perfect souvenir moment? Fear not, intrepid traveler, because today we're about to unveil the truth about YouTrip and the UK. Now, YouTrip is no stranger to foreign lands. It's a digital wallet that lets you spend overseas without those pesky conversion fees. But does the UK fall under its magical spell? Let's break it down. First things first, the UK is indeed on YouTrip's supported currency list. That means you can load up your wallet with British pounds and spend away like a local. No more mental math trying to figure out the exchange rate while the cashier stares at you expectantly. But wait, there's more. YouTrip doesn't just stop at currency conversion. It's like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket. You can track your spending, set budgets, and even earn rewards. Perfect for those who like to keep tabs on their travel funds. So, you can use your YouTrip card for most purchases in the UK. Shops, restaurants, transportation, you name it. But here's a little tip. While contactless payments are widely accepted, some old-school places might still prefer cash. It's always good to have a backup plan, just in case. Now, let's talk about ATM withdrawals. YouTrip does allow you to withdraw cash from ATMs in the UK, but it's not exactly the most cost-effective option. There's a withdrawal fee involved, and you might get a better exchange rate by changing money at a local bureau de change. So, unless you absolutely need cash, it's usually better to stick to card payments. One thing to keep in mind is the exchange rate. YouTrip offers competitive rates, but it's always a good idea to compare them with other providers. There might be times when converting your money beforehand gives you a slightly better deal. So, can you use YouTrip in the UK? Absolutely. It's a convenient and hassle-free way to manage your money while exploring this beautiful country. But remember, a little planning goes a long way. Check exchange rates, consider your spending habits, and don't forget to have a small amount of cash on hand, just in case. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.